Hello folks, welcome to the shop again here. Nate with RHRSwag.com. Beautiful, beautiful addition to the 2015 GMC Denali today. It is the EGR Slimline Matte Black Bug Shield. A couple of things set this guy apart from some of the other bug shields out there, and we're here to bring you in the know on all of the really, really great features of the EGR Slimline series. First and foremost, as you can see here, it has a pretty low stance. However, it is still going to provide great protection from bugs and debris while you're on the road. Really, my favorite thing has got to be the looks though. Again, absolute beautiful contour, side to side all along the hood. Your install is going to be absolute custom per make, model, and year. All of your hardware, everything required comes in the box, ready for you, and installs in half an hour, maybe even less on some. Main thing I love about EGR though has got to be they are made here in the USA. EGR is absolutely dedicated to our workers here, and they make beautiful, beautiful products. Check this one out. We also have a dark smoke option out there, and join us at RHRSwag.com.